Control your demons and dominate them. In the depths of our souls we all battle with demons, those dark annoying forces that threaten to consume us from within. But fear not, for Stoicism offers as a beacon of light amidst the shadows. Here we shall explore 3 Stoic ways to control your demons, to rise above the tumult of our inner turmoil and find solace in the tranquility of self-mastery. Number 1. The discipline of perception. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once proclaimed, men are disturbed not by things but by the views which they take of them. Our demons often arise from distorted perceptions, the twisted lenses through which we view the world. But through the discipline of perception we can reclaim control over our minds. We must learn to see things as they truly are, stripped of the illusions that cloud our judgment. By embracing the Stoic virtue of wisdom we can pierce through the veil of darkness and find clarity amid the chaos. Number 2. The art of acceptance. The Stoic Emperor Marcus Aurelius reminds us, if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Our demons thrive on resistance, the futile struggle against the inevitable. But in the face of adversity the Stoic finds strength and acceptance. We must learn to embrace the present moment, to surrender to the ebb and flow of life's currents. By relinquishing our attachment outcomes we free ourselves from the chains of suffering and find peace in the midst of turmoil. Number 3. The triumph of virtue. Seneca, the great Stoic philosopher, wrote, a man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary. Our demons feed on vice, the insatiable appetite for indulgence in excess. But through the cultivation of virtue we can vanquish these inner foes. We must strive to embody the Stoic virtues of courage, temperance and justice in all aspects of our lives. By living in accordance with our highest ideals we transcend our baser instincts and rise above the fray of our turbulent emotions. In the crucible of Stoicism we find the tools to conquer our inner demons, to reclaim control over our minds and find peace amidst the chaos. Through the discipline of perception, the art of acceptance, and the triumph of virtue we can harness the power within us to rise above the tumult of our inner turmoil. Let us walk the path of the Stoic and master the shadows that lurk within us all. Are you ready to take control of your demons and unleash the power within? Join us on this journey of self-mastery and transcendence. Together we shall conquer the darkness and emerge into the light of Stoic wisdom.